Today I'm going to show you how to draw the lily flower. So first of all, you are drawing the circle as the guideline, so it's easy to draw. Then draw the round circle like in the middle, and then you divide by 6 lines, so it total has 6 leaves. Then you start from the bottom. So I draw like from the pencil, so then you can erase it if you don't like some part of your drawing. It's kind of like the draft before you are starting with the with the pen. Okay, and then you start from each straight line for each leaf. Then here you got 5, and then the last one is the top leaf. Okay, so then you got like a little middle, I don't know how to call that. Yeah, so then now you're ready for the pen. So it doesn't have to be perfect as the pencil, so it's just like you just draw. And once again, this is like a practice, so you don't need to be like perfect or like perfect or ready to put this in the frame. So just draw a couple times of this, then for sure you're gonna be like know how to draw the lily flower without the guideline. So you can practice and practice, then you will know how to draw this lily flower, as I said, without the guideline. It's pretty much easy, everybody can do it, and I believe you can too. So again, you don't need to be like looking for perfect drawing, because this is just the beginning. And then when you draw like couple times again and again, and you will be see yourself improvement a lot. So thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next episode. And if you want to see more flower drawing or any specific flower that you want to see, just let me know in the comment. Okay, for now, goodbye, thanks for watching.